Mathematics for class 10, unit number 5, sets and functions, exercise 5.2. Question number 4, verify De Morgan's law for the following sets. Second part of question number 4, universal set have elements 1, 2 up to 10, and set A have elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and set B have elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Solution. We have De Morgan's law in two parts. First is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and B part is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So we have to find first part A union B and then find their complement. A union B. Set A have elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Union 1. Set B have elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and these sets occurs in both sets. Elements of these sets occurs only once in this set, which is, and we also arrange them in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we have to find their complement. A union B whole complement is equal to universal set minus A union B. This is equal to universal set have elements 1, 2 up to 10, and we also observe that A union B set also have elements 1 to 10. No element is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All elements are occurs here. So we can write that as 1, 2 up to 10. And we have observed that all contains this set complement set contains only those elements of universal set which are not common with A union B, but these two sets are just like same common elements, having all common elements, so we have an empty set. We can say that this is equation number 1. So we have to find A complement. It means universal elements of universal set not having in set A. Set A universal set have elements 1, 2 up to 10, and set A have elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So the other elements of universal set from these contain in A complement. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10s are excluded, and we have 1, 2 is excluded, 3, 4 excluded, 5, 6 excluded and 7, 8 excluded, 9 and 9. 10 is also excluded, such that B complement contains universal elements of universal set not in set B. Universal set U set have elements up to 10, minus set B have elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is equal to 1 is excluded. We have here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. We have to find A complement intersection B complement. We write here elements of set A 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Intersection B complement have elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and their intersection, we observe that this is the set of odd numbers and this is the set of even numbers, and their intersection must be an empty set. We observe that their intersection must be an empty set. we say that this is equation number 2. By 1 and 2 we have A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Similarly, we have to find B part. For this purpose, we find A intersection B. Set A have elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and set B have elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Their intersection set must be empty, and A intersection B whole complement means universal set minus A intersection B. Universal set have elements 1, 2 up to 10 minus empty set, so it has element all elements of universal set not in B. So we have 1, 2 up to 10. We can say that this is question number 1. Next, we have to find A intersection B, A complement intersection B complement. We have here A intersection and this is B intersection. Oh sorry, A complement and B complement. We have to find A complement union B complement. We observe that here is elements of 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are elements of A complement, and B complement have elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Their union contains all elements. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to write here 1, 2 up to 10. This is equation number 2. By 1 and 2 we have A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement, and here we observe that this completes our exercise 5.2. This is the last question and last part of question number